Hello there, my name is Virginia and welcome to Desert View Studio. In this video, I am showing you how to make this wood planter box using Jenga blocks. You will need a total of 72 Jenga blocks, a piece of wood plank, paint or stain, glue, and also a piece of sandpaper. Using electric sanders is optional, however, I highly recommend it. And also a miter box and saw. Here's I'm doing the dry fit to measure and cut at the accurate length. Use a sandpaper to remove sharp edges. Repeat the same steps on the shorter size. Notice at this point the wood plank is still laying flat. Later it started to warp, however the end result still came out great. Step 1. Glue 8 sets of 3 blocks together. And then glue the 4 sets together to create 2 panels. Step 2. Glue 8 sets of 6 blocks together. And then you will glue 4 sets together and creating 2 panels. And here is the overview of all the pieces that we will be using. I fill in the gaps using lightweight speckling, however, this is optional. I sand out the surface using electric sander and use the baby wipes to clean the surface afterwards. I first apply water onto the surface and then paint 2 to 3 coats. And the color that I use is called Provincial Blue. As you can see here that this piece of wood plank is already start warping. I sand out all the pieces using an electric sander. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you very much and welcome. And if you are return members, thank you so much for continue your support on my channel. I have worked on many projects using Jenga blocks. Please don't forget to go check them out on my playlist. And this is what the planter looked like from this angle with the gap showing due to warping of the wood plank. Personally, I think it looked great because it adds character. What do you think of this project? Please feel free to comment down below. On the bottom of the wood plank, I leave it as is. I did not sand it down. And this project is really easy to make. And here is the completed project. I truly appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and share. Until my next video. Bye for now.